Welcome to the Tomato Toughening Training Program, where we take soft, delicate tomato plants and turn them into rugged, outdoor-ready warriors. Let me explain the importance of hardening. You wouldn't throw a rookie athlete into the Olympics without some practice, right? Well, tomatoes are the same. They need training before heading into the great outdoors. Without proper training, our dear tomato recruits can suffer from sunburn, wind shock, and girdly floppy stems. Right now they're soft, weak, living a cushy indoor life. But if we toss them straight into the garden, a gentle breeze toughens the stems. But let's not go crazy. No hurricane drills today. So where do we go from here to toughen up these tender tomatoes? Start slow. Place them outside in a partially protected area for a couple hours. You got this, little buddies. Increase the sun exposure gradually each day. Let them soak up more sun, just enough to make them think they're training for the Tomato Olympics. If I knew the words, I'd sing it. Watch the weather. Don't throw them into a storm. And if it looks like any chance of bad weather, get them back to the training facility for more indoor strength and conditioning. Our training room looks like this. Good light, airflow, and a fan to keep up with resistance training. After 7 to 10 days of training, our recruits are ready for the big leagues, the garden. Watch their graduation day in the next video, where we send forth our tomato warriors to their final home. Just add the jalapenos that have already started in their heated structures. If you love clever garden tricks, DIY solutions, and the occasional plant-related dad joke, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button because trust me, you don't want to miss where we're going next. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just trying to keep a houseplant alive for more than 1 week, I've got tips, tricks, and enough hacks to make your plants think they've won the lottery. No green thumb required, just a sense of humor and maybe a willingness to occasionally talk to your plants. Trust me, they love it.
So I just want you to know how much I love you. You and only you.